talking about using Django and Heroku to host your own website. And we have, in this instance, we have electric motor deals. And on the left side, we have the requirements where you need to activate Python virtual environment and pip install Django Heroku. And this white noise is for the static file, the CSS, which is also the Bootstrap that we're going to use. So in the Django file, we need to change the settings because we're going to create an app called web. So under the installed app, you put on the web, the name of your application, whatever you want to name it. And under the templates, we have the HTML file that we're going to walk through for this page. And we have the title, and this is the link to the Bootstrap that we're using. And the Bootstrap is basically looking like this. And we're going to need to do some modifications on top of that. And we put on the static file location here. And on the top, we're going to have a navigation bar where you can have the electric deals. So if you drag down, you're going to have the home, voltage, batteries. And for the voltage, we're going to have a drop-down menu where you can choose in 4 kilowatts, 10 kilowatts, 20 kilowatts, or higher. And a little checkout button where it can lead you to the payment page. And in the middle, we have the electric motor deals, the powertrain that's within you. This is the title in the header, and the background picture where you will need to put inside of the header tag. You put background image, URL, static, web / the location of your picture file, and then put the background position into center, size, cover. And for the products, we have the first one, single to three-phase converter. You put the link, you put the image up here, and then just one small note, if you want to open the page in another page instead of the current page, then you put target equals to underscore blank. And we have the price for the next one. The fan motor is almost the same, except we put the fan motor's original price, which is the line through 500 something, and then the real price 400. And add it to the cart button where you can put the links to your payment page as well. And the next is the 330 volts furnace blower motor, and the price and the button to add to the cart. And then we have an air compressor motor where you have the price, name, and then the button. And then we have all the batteries. We have an alkaline batteries. You have the price, the unit price, and the amperage. So this one is 2000 milliamp hour. And the next one is lithium ion battery, which costs around 24.99, and the unit price and the amperage is 3200 milliamp hour. These are the rechargeable batteries, and we also have lithium iron phosphate batteries. And this is the unit price, and it's 200 amp hour. This one is more powerful. And for solar system, and especially if you want to buy a bulk, so these are the batteries, and I've put the link with the Amazon and also the Alibaba and also the eBay that has the best deal here. And last but not least, we need a footer to let the user sign up. So we have a form of email and we put the label, email, and then let the user type their email address and leave a comment. I put the name placeholder of I love this deals, and then of course a button to submit where they're gonna send the data to your database. It could be SQLite or MongoDB or Postgres, which are all free that you can use to store the data. And for the Heroku, and then you just push the things, the whole file onto Git, and then add the origin instead of add it to the Heroku site. And that's about it for this web page. There are also other web hosting applications like Railways that are free, so you can choose between them. And for next time, we're going to do something interesting, which is a project using JavaScript. And we're going to have this car simulator where you can tell the car's battery, the voltage, and the speed, and you can maneuver it using the keyboard or using a touch screen to kind of drag it or tap on it. And I hope this is helpful. And I'll link the source code down below and see you next time.